Hi, I'm Andy. That's the neighbor kid. And that's Nick. And we're gonna blow this fucking thing up. Yeah. You put the lid on now.
Yeah, that is.
Alright, now we're gonna walk away.
Yeah,
Is it over? I don't know. Take two.
Take it over, take it over. I think it's over.
Smells like success. Yeah. Right. Now we got my favorite kind of ammo. The experimental stuff. 2 of these huge fishing weights attached by chain. Yeah. Back here, kind of stop the house.
And there's the damage done by it.
Alright, I'm gonna start off with my boring ammo first. Here's the battery.
You hit dead center.
Alright, here's the best of them all, the bolt.
Not the best of them all, the best of your ammo.
No, it's awesome.
Best of them all, my ass. Little dents in there and crap.
Not little dents, thick fuck.
The roof is on fire. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water, let that motherfucker burn. Burn, motherfucker. Burn, motherfucker.
Oh, woe is the coffee machine. Poor and brittle and duck. Do it, motherfucker.
Do it, do it.
What?
That's good.
Alright.
One lights, they're all gonna light.
Go, go, go.
Oh, crap.
Oh, crap.
I wonder if they're even lit. Hey, let's go put our faces over it and look. Oh!
Eddie, go do that again.
Where's the boom? God. Alright, I'm shooting this thing. Yeah. Same shot as last time, 200 PSI.
Alright, now this is a fishing weight tied on a chain. Alright, this is an egg weight. So.